Hi guys, Laura here. So this week we were going to publish a video of Farisa's produced version of the song she did, the last video that we published, but we decided to postpone publishing that. That's a mouthful. Postpone publishing that video until next week or 2 weeks from now because it's Easter weekend. So we thought it would be a great opportunity to share with you some Easter signs and then to also share some of our old craft and recipe videos that we did that are Easter related, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm going a little stir crazy and I'm looking for things to do with my kids. We've now entered our third lockdown and I'm just trying to keep it together because anyway, so hopefully you'll find this useful and maybe it will give you some ideas of what you can do with your kiddos over the weekend. So let me teach you some signs first. So the sign for Easter is a really great example of regional differences of signs. So I did a whole video before talking about the regional differences. It's just like in the English language, it depends on where you live, the type of word that you're going to use for a specific item. So for example, pop or soda is based on where you live, the word that you're going to use. So soda or pop. Another good example is restroom, washroom, bathroom, toilet, loo. I'm sure I'm missing a few, but as you can see, the word that you choose to use is based on where you grew up. It's the region that you come from. And so the same thing happens with sign language. So sometimes I'll publish a video and then people will say, you're wrong. And it's not that I'm wrong, it's that that's the sign I use in the region I come from. So Easter has a few different signs that I know, and I'm going to show you a few, and there's more because when I was researching this, I came across a ton. But the ones that I'm sort of familiar with is Easter, this is the one I used, Easter, and it's very similar to emergency. And people always say, what's the difference? So really it's A, in your face. And, you know, if you're signing Easter, you'll probably have a very happy face on and you're smiling. And it's less urgent. When you sign emergency, your face is showing that you're having an emergency and you're moving a bit faster. So Easter, like this. I've seen Easter like this. And with one hand, Easter. I've also seen Easter like this, and then I have seen a few more and I can't recall what they are. One is, I think, cross related. Anyway, as you can see, there are different ways of signing the same word. It just depends on the area that you come from, the sign that you're going to use. Bunny, same thing. There's a couple of ways of signing bunny. This way, bunny, this is the way I sign. I think it just looks really cute, bunny. And then bunny and two hands bunny. So yeah, egg, like that, your two hands, like you're cracking an egg, chocolate, your C for chocolate on the back of your hand, chocolate. So yeah, I just think that Easter's a great example to share with you the different ways that you can sign specific words based on where you come from. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you just a couple of our old videos that the kids did where they made different Easter crafts, recipes, some Rice Krispie sort of treat things. I hope it gives you some inspiration. And now I am going to go off and search my own Easter ideas to see if I can find other things to do with my children over the weekend, because it's a long weekend and we have nothing to do and nowhere to go.
Hi guys, I'm Freeze, and today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome Easter nests. Now without further ado, let's go. What you'll need for this recipe is 3 cups of Rice Krispies, 20 marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of butter, or you can use whatever Rice Krispies treat recipe that you know, some chocolate mini eggs, and a large muffin tin. After you've heavily greased your pan and made your Rice Krispies mix, what you're going to want to do is wet your hand with a little bit of water so that the Rice Krispies don't stick to it. And then grab a good portion of it. Be careful if it's still hot. And then just put it into the mold and shape it almost like a nest. So add more as much as you need until you have a look that satisfies you. Now, once your molds are filled, take your chocolate eggs and just sprinkle some in to make it look like a nest. Once you've completed your nests, just put them in the fridge or set them aside to dry. Now that they're all set, you can just pop them out and put them on a plate. Don't these Easter nests look amazing? And they taste amazing too. I hope you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any other ideas on things we could make like this, please leave it down in the comment section below. Now excuse me while I go devour this. Hi everyone, I'm Farice.
And I'm Hartford. And today we're going to show you how to make these cool and awesome and easy crafts that you can give to your friend on Easter.
What you'll need for this craft is some Easter grass, whatever colors you'd like, some jars with lids,
some mini chocolate eggs, and some Easter marshmallows.
You could also use any other Easter themed treat that you would like. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is add some grass to the bottom of your jar.
Next, put your chocolate eggs on top of your grass.
Now put your Easter marshmallows in. Give it to a friend. Here, Hartford.
Oh, thanks. This is so creative. Here you go, Freeze.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Aren't these such a cute thing that you can give to your friends and they take no time at all? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye!
Hi, today we're going to show you how to make these awesome Rice Krispie Easter eggs that are filled with chocolate. What you need is these little plastic eggs that I just got at the dollar store, or you can get them at a pharmacy. And I take and wash them, and then I use a paper towel that is dipped in melted butter and just line them. You can use a cooking spray or oil just to make sure they're nice and lined so that the Rice Krispie treats will come out. Then you need something to put in the middle of the Rice Krispie egg. So I'm using different kinds of chocolate eggs. It's a nice little fun surprise that's going to be in the middle. And then I have just decorating icing that the kids, after these are all set, will be able to use to decorate the eggs. So what you do is you first make your Rice Krispie treats just like the box calls for. So I simply followed the recipe on the box. And while they're still warm, I'm gonna start assembling my eggs. So I'm gonna take the egg and I'm gonna start with the bottom. Use the spoon here. So I'm gonna just put some of this in the bottom and I'm gonna push it in a little bit like that. Get a little bit of water and just dip my fingers in the water. It makes it easier so that the Rice Krispies don't stick to your finger. Then I'm gonna put the top bit in, like this. Again, dip my finger in water, push it down so that you can make a little hole in the middle. And then I'm gonna just stick one of my little eggs in the middle as a nice little surprise. And when these set, we can then decorate them. So I'm just gonna close them a little bit just to form, so that they form the egg shape. And I'm gonna pop those in the fridge, and when they set, the kids will be able to use the icing scribbler to decorate the eggs. And it's a really fun activity that the kids can do and enjoy this really great treat. So I'm just gonna finish up doing all of my eggs. And there you have it. All my eggs are now filled with these yummy Rice Krispie treats with the surprise chocolate center. And I'm gonna pop these in the fridge just for a couple hours, let them set, and then once they're set, the kids can have fun decorating them. Okay, so our eggs are now all set, and you just have to remove them from their casing, and it might take a little squeezing kind of to get them to unstick from the inside, and then they can just come right out. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Wow, I'm really happy about that. So what I'm gonna do for the kids is I'm gonna take a Q-tip where I've just broken off the end, I've snapped off the end of it, and I'm gonna stick the Q-tip right in the bottom so that they can hold onto this as they're decorating. And then once they're done decorating it, I've got this egg carton, and I will just put it in the egg carton like this so that it can dry and not get squished on one side. So there you have it. I can't wait to see all of the fun designs that the kids come up with when decorating these fun Rice Krispie Easter egg treats with a yummy chocolatey surprise center.
So I'm wishing all of you guys a happy Easter, or a happy Easter. And I also hope that the Easter Bunny comes for you guys and brings you lots of chocolate eggs. Chocolate eggs. Okay, everybody, I hope you all stay safe and sane. Bye for now. Okay, everybody, I hope you all say everybody say stay. See, guys? Everybody say this is gonna have to go in the bloopers at the end because it's ridiculous.